You don't need a server or expensive hosting to get started. Today I'll show you how to install n8n on your own computer in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. The easiest way to run n8n locally is by using Docker Desktop. If you don't already have Docker installed, download it from the official Docker website, install it, and restart your computer if prompted. Once Docker Desktop is running, open your terminal or command prompt and run the n8n Docker command. Docker will automatically download everything n8n needs and start the application. The first download may take a few minutes, but after that, starting n8n is much faster. Once the installation finishes, open your browser and go to http://localhost:5678. This opens your own private n8n workspace running directly on your computer. No internet server is required. The first time you open n8n, you'll be asked to create your owner account. Simply enter your name, your email address, a strong password, then click Create Account. This becomes your login for your local n8s instance. From now on, whenever you open n8n, just enter your email and password to access your workflows. Make sure you remember these credentials because you'll use them every time you sign in. After logging in, you'll see the n8n dashboard. Click New Workflow to create your first automation. You'll notice a clean visual editor where you connect different nodes together. Think of each node as one step in your automation. For example, receive data, ask an AI model to process it, then automatically send the result to Gmail, Telegram, Slack, or Google Sheets. Everything works through simple drag and drop blocks. Running n8n on your own computer gives you several advantages. Your workflows stay under your control. You can experiment without paying monthly subscription fees. And it's the perfect way to learn automation before moving to a cloud server. And that's it. You've successfully installed n8n locally, created your login account, and you're ready to build your first automation workflow. In the next video, I'll show you how to build your very first AI agent in n8n without writing a single line of code. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me what kind of automation you'd like to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.